Hi guys, this is Abhinav Tyagi from All in One channel, and I'm ready to unbox this Philips 2017. I've bought this on. I've ordered this on 7th of April, is mentioned here, and type of service provided by Tata Click. I've bought from this from Tata Click, and 7th April was the date, and today is 8th April, and I've received this order in the afternoon, in the morning. And rate prices are seriously very competitive, because the same trimmer cost me around 4295, and it is 3499 here. I called the agents there to ask them if there was any warranty issue or something like that, but nothing. um, so let's unbox it. This is the model number of this trimmer is, I guess, Qg3387/15 trimmer black. It is a multi grooming trimmer. Okay, so let's unbox it. I have to keep the bill for the warranty issue or something else like that. So the box, it is pretty cool box here. Pretty cool box. So here's the invoice again. Um, this is the invoice. Okay. So keep this aside, and this is the trimmer, original trimmer box here. This is a grooming trimmer, and has everything with it. Everything with it. I guess it is. It was launched, I guess, 4 years back by. As I watch on YouTube, the unboxing videos are old. 4 years back, it was launched, and it has everything: nose trimmer, detailed foil shaver, body groomer, full size trimmer, skin friendly blades. That is the and it is shower proof. And the main advantage of this trimmer is the battery issue. I had these old trimmers, and they got some battery issues, like this model is, I guess, qt model is qt 4006 model. So this comes around 1999, I guess, to 2000 rupees INR. But this is costing me 3500, and I was so excited about this. This trimmer had some disadvantage, that it used to take a lot of time to charge. It took around 10 hours of battery charging, and it could function only for 30 minutes. Only for 30 minutes. This is a very bad backup. So keep this aside. And this is having a 50 minutes up to 50 minutes run time with 1 hour charge. This is the main advantage of this. And let me show you the box. It is like this. It is showerproof. The turbo mode, yeah, turbo mode is also there on this. And this is some LED console panel, and it has these three kinds of combs here. These are the full size trimmer, beard, stubble comb, detail trimmer, detailed comb, detailed foil shaver, comb, body groomer, hair comb, and nose trimmer. And now let's check the pricing here. It is 4295, which I saw on Chroma, and it was given on the same price there. But I had researched on internet, and I got the lowest price on this, and it is a sealed box. Okay. But and this is a 2 years guarantee. QG3387 is the best trimmer in market. Seriously, best trimmer in market, and this pricing. And this is the unboxing of 2017 model. However, it was manufactured it was manufactured on Feb 2017, year of import, on month of year of import. So this is a fresh trimmer, no old material provided by Tata Click. I try these new brands every time I buy. I have more videos on AGO and more. So Phillips, the green product, it is. Let's open it up. We have this, and one more thing we have got in the box. It is some paperwork here, and some, what is this? I don't know what is this. This is, I guess, some more parts are there. So this all is what we get out of this box. This box and these three things we got inside it. And this is some model number and some directions to use this product, and international warranty. It comes with an international warranty, and many people have the doubt that its charger is of US type charger, which is used in US and Canada. This is also in paperwork, so I'll create that doubt too. So this is the bag, not too good quality, but okay, it's okay. It can be used. It's okay, good quality. Phillips branding here. And first of all, I'll take this the main trimmer out. Everything is packed in this polythene type of thing, and I had some oil on it. I have to clear it. This is the trimmer. It's showing that you have no power left on this, so I have to charge this, and then I'll have to show that how it works. Series 700. This is nice. This is plastic. This is all is plastic. You might see that it is metal, but no, it is plastic here. Okay, this is the actual picture of actual, and this is the put out on this box. So there are three buttons: turbo, LED, and this power. If you click this button, it will go. It will use this normal mode. This button, it will use turbo mode, and these are the blade. This is the blade of this, and some comb settings here, and Phillips unit made in Indonesia. And okay, this you can keep aside. Now we can have a take a look to the charger here, the charging cable and the charger. Get some time of lubricating oil with it, so you have to keep this this is a very important thing. In long run, it would matter you. Yes, this is the Indian unit, so the pin available is Indian type of unit available with this. We have this type of cord available with it, and charger quality is that plastic charger. So this one comb is here. This is for 3 to 20. This is for the haircut, I guess. Haircut. This is the fall trimmer. can use it to get the pretty cool clean shave type of thing. And this is the grooming body grooming blade. It has blade here and foil like structure here in this middle. This is the body grooming. Your body grooming I have, as I have read on this. This is also some kind of see, this is for eyebrows. This is for eyebrow. This kind of blade comb. Okay, you get one more. This is also some kind of stuff here, blade. This is a nose trimmer, nose blade. This is a very useful thing for such hairy guys. Okay, man. This white box contains some mystery things. So there are 3 more combs here. This comb is for beard. 1 to 18 beard is shown in this, and there's 1 to 18 adjustments here. One more. Last but not the least, we have this. This is, I guess, for chest hairs and body. This is for body, 3 to 12, and this is for body. Body is shown here. This is also a pretty impressive and strong blade here. So you get 4 blades here. You get these 4 blades too. This charger and this lubricating oil inside the package. Nothing else is there. Yeah, bag is too available with this. So this was the unboxing of this Phillips Qg3387 trimmer, and it is a very good heavy body, and obviously I have to charge this before my usage. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and you get all these things with it. I've shown in my on this table. I've shown in you. So these all things we get in the in this box, and I will leave a link for this trimmer on from Tata Click. You can buy it for 3499. It is I don't know till when the offer is valid, but 800 rupees discount they are giving Tata Click, and the Chroma persons are giving the same trimmer for 4295. So 800 rupees, they are a lot. Okay, thank you so much. This has been Tyagi signing off. Take care. Good night.